Hello friends. So today we will be talking about injectable glutathione. This is very commonly known as skin whitening therapies. Nowadays very much talked about treatment in the town, in the country. I think every day, every third day we are getting one or two inquiries about skin whitening, fairness and looks. I am sure all of you might be getting this type of inquiries, especially patients who are basically candidates for matrimonial purpose. Say they want to enhance their complexion, they want to look better. So now the point is whether this therapy is really effective. If it is effective, how much effective is this? And if somebody wants to go for this therapy, what should be the doses, what should be the repetition of doses, and what should be the output or outcome, so that we can convince the patient, we can meet their expectations and output. So in our center we have standard policy of using glutathione in pulse doses. We start all the patients, mainly adults who are above 60 kg weight, with 3000 mg total doses of glutathione. So that means 5 injections of glutathione like this. So now 5 injections of glutathione, each having dose of 600 mg. That means total dose is 3000 mg. We constitute this injection in this distilled water. We will be adding this ready-made glutathione preparation solution in 200 ml of normal saline. To enhance efficacy of this preparation, we add ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, 1000 mg, injection Vitcofol, which contains vitamin C, niacinamide, B12 and folic acid. Acetylcysteine is added to enhance efficacy because this is also an antioxidant and it basically gives you synergistic effect along with glutathione. So this is how we make this cocktail, mixing all these things, adding in this 200 ml of saline. Now we are going to make this solution and start injecting into the patient's arm. So now we will start actual injection technique. Before starting drip, we need to check blood pressure as a protocol. So please check the blood pressure. In many patients, blood pressure makes a lot of sense because many times it has a lot of anxiety. Some patients they feel giddiness, sometimes chakkar also. Few patients they have injection phobia also. So as a protocol we have made it to take measure blood pressure before any drip doses. Blood pressure is normal? Yeah. So now the process is going on. You can see the reconstitution of glutathione along with Vitcofol injection and acetylcysteine we have added, and she is making the first stock solution which is ready for injection, and this is 100 ml saline along with glutathione and other ingredients. Patient is cool and comfortable, you can see. Solution is ready for injection and the sister is basically planning to prick on patient's arm. So now drip is on and patient is quite comfortable that way. For all practical purposes, as such, there is no side effect because whatever we are infusing is not a medicine. Basically, it's a supplement. Most commonly encountered minor side effects are injection phobia, little uneasiness, giddiness sometimes. So we always ask the patient not to come empty stomach before going for the therapy. Usually the therapy is repeated once in 15 to 20 days for next 3 to 5 sessions, and mostly patient they start seeing effect within 3 sessions. What we expect is one shade lighter than original previous shade, and then most of the patient they are happy with the therapy. Since it is an antioxidant, there is as such there is no possibility of side effects, but theoretically there might be little fluid overload, patients having hypertension, patients who are on aspirin or blood thinners, they should not be given this type of therapy, and especially female patients who are pregnant. So these are the minor contraindications of this injection therapy. Thank you.